So my lovely wife Evelyn is cooking tonight. What are you cooking?
Chopsuey.
Chopsuey?
Yeah, mixed vegetables with chicken.
Okay, so what are you putting in first?
Onion.
Onions. I kind of like this, everyone, because today I don't have to cook. And I can take better pictures, better videos. Now putting in what?
Garlic.
Garlic. So we get garlic and onion. Over here we have a mixed vegetable. A mixed vegetable, which is cabbage, carrots, and what else is that? What is that other one?
Sayote.
Ayote.
Sayote.
Chayote. Okay. And what is this?
Chicken.
Chicken. She's much faster than I am. I guess because I got a video and cook both at the same time.
Yeah.
She's so beautiful, isn't she? Look at that. And then what are you going to do after you do that? You're going to put water to it?
Put the vegetables first before put water.
Oh, and why do you put the vegetables in?
So that you can fry it first.
Oh, so
Mix with the chicken.
So you cut. Oh, okay. You don't put water in there and then cook the vegetables.
No. After you fried, after a few minutes before you add water.
Ah. I guess that was mean because you're not making soup, you're making chopsuey.
Yeah, chopsuey.
She's making soup. So you're going to put a little water in there.
Yeah. You want to put the vegetables.
That's a lot of vegetables.
Yeah. I'm gonna well, we can get downstairs. Try it.
You need the lid? Oh yeah, you can't turn the, you gotta turn that the other way. The blue side is the side that
Oh,
you...
actually, there's a water now because of the vegetables.
Okay, and then she added pepper in there, a little bit, and then gonna steam it for a while. Cook it down. Ooh.
Actually, there's a little water now. See? Because
Yeah,
of
just a little.
Yeah, because of the vegetables.
Oh, and you put a,
I already put the chicken cubes.
you put a chicken cube, half a chicken cube.
Half on. See?
And so that's about a cup and a half of water.
Mm-hmm. You'll put later magic syrup.
And then how long do you cook that for?
I don't know. Just
Till it's done. Okay, now you're putting a little magic syrup in there. That's just to flavor it a little bit. Are you going to put salt in there?
yeah, salt as well.
Oh, how much salt are you going to put in? We'll see what the flavoring is. Wow, that's more salt than I put in. Holy man, that's a lot of salt.
It's not a lot.
Wow, and you say mine's salty? Oh my gosh.
It's not a lot.
Oh, maybe because I put more cubes in
Yeah.
there.
See? It's not a lot.
Okay, so it looks like it's cooked down enough.
Mm-mm.